Hello fellow gearheads, welcome back to the workshop. Today we're talking IFAKs and we're going to talk about some of the features and the contents of the individual first aid kit which we sell at TheQuarterMaster. We sell just the refill, which is just the contents, and then we sell the bag, the individual bag, quick detachable bag, and then we sell the kit as well in a whole sorts of myriad of colors. I'll bring you in closer and we'll get started. So here's one of our MOLLE pouches. This is what it looks like. It comes with a clasp in front if you want to make sure it's quite secure. In order to get it, just pop the clasp. There's a handle on the back that you just rip away. And there you go. You have the first aid pouch. This is it. The back is just a panel that mollies into a vest or a bag or wherever you want to keep it. And it makes it quick detachable. Once you pull this out, pull off the top strap and you can access the zippers. Once it's open, it folds out into sort of three sections. These sections have a lot of different webbing and zipper pouches and things so that you can organize your IFAK and all the medical equipment to be where you want it. On the outside of the pouch is a hook and loop section where you can attach one of your blood type patches or a first aid patch just to help other people identify and even you identify what is in that pouch. Now let's get into some of the contents. So just to run through what comes in our basic IFAK kit. You have one chest wound seal, rotation compression tourniquet, some conforming bandages, two first aid dressings, emergency blanket, shears, CPR mask, some spare gauze, two sets of large gloves, some duct tape, and a critical bandage, which is similar to an Israeli bandage but made here in South Africa. And this is what we consider the basic IFAK. You can always supplement this with more gear, and we sell a lot of medical gear at the TheQuarterMaster. Feel free to go through our website, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask us. If not, I'll see you next time, and stay safe.